No hot water or inconsistent temperatures often point to either a failed heating element or a faulty thermostat in your water heater. Start with safety. Turn off power at the breaker and verify with a non-contact tester, then remove the access panels and insulation to reach the upper and lower thermostats and elements. Set both thermostats to the same temperature, typically around 120 degrees, so testing conditions are consistent. Use a digital multimeter set to continuity or the lowest ohms setting to test each element's terminals after disconnecting the wires. A healthy element usually reads between 10 and 20 ohms, while infinite resistance or zero indicates failure. Then test each element to ground by placing one probe on a terminal and the other on the element flange or tank. Any reading other than infinite resistance means the element is shorted and must be replaced. For thermostats, restore power briefly and, with extreme caution, verify that the upper thermostat sends power either to the upper element when the tank is cold or switches power to the lower thermostat once the top is hot. An upper thermostat that never switches or a lower thermostat that never energizes the lower element is suspect. If you prefer power off testing, turn off power again. Check thermostat continuity across the switch terminals while manually adjusting the dial. Continuity should change as the dial clicks. 3 common mistakes trip people up. First, assuming the top element failed when there is no hot water at all, when in many cases the upper thermostat is stuck open. Always test both elements and both thermostats before buying parts. Second, replacing only one failed element and ignoring sediment that cooked it in the first place. Drain the tank, flush until clear, and consider installing a curved dip tube or scheduling periodic flushes to protect the new element. Third, skipping wire labeling and taking photos before disassembly. Miswired thermostats cause non-stop heating or no heat, so tag each wire and return it to the same terminal, then tighten all screws snugly. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to find local pros for water heater diagnostics and repairs when you want help. Homeowners can compare contractors and message them directly, and contractors use our listings to reach nearby customers and join our discussion community to share tips and answer questions.